Welcome back to another video. This one's gonna sound a little bit different because we finally got our downpipe and exhaust installed on this beautiful car. Oh, and it works flawlessly. It's so beautiful. So we're currently on a valved exhaust from Club Alfa. We have the Club Alfa Tempesta and the Furio downpipe from them as well. And it just makes the car sound how it should have coming from factory. It gives it that quadrifoglio Ferrari V6 growl that it should have had. And it's so beautiful. Like, just playing with the gears now and just like really kind of like leaning into the car, it has such a better personality. And it's not a lot of cabin noise either, which is another great part. Like, there's no heavy droning, there's no rattling. Everything fits so well. But when you want to lean on the car a little, like, you can lean on the car and make it say some words, which is great. Like, it's the reason I love this car. It's so fun to drive, it's so responsive, and it's just a great handling vehicle. I know the online reputation for Alfa Romeo is atrocious, with people saying they're unreliable, you're gonna have this, you're gonna have that, be prepared for this, expect to pay that. But I mean, since I've owned this car, I've had no issues with it. That wasn't like, I can fix that myself with a set of tools, basically. Like, I've done all my own oil changes. I did the transmission pan and filter and fluid swap, did a coolant drain and replacement, coming up to do the serpentine belt and the spark plugs. All standard maintenance for the car, and it's all readily accessible to be done by owner with a simple set of tools, honestly. So I mean, if you ever have the chance to buy an Alfa Romeo, even the 2-liter, buy one, or even just go test drive it, because I guarantee you, once you drive it, you'll fall in love with it, because it's so fun to drive. I cleaned my windscreen, it's dirty. Got all the salt going down. We're currently about to experience supposedly 24 inches of snowfall in 36 hours. So that's going to be a bit crazy. But here's hoping that all goes well. Yeah, this is just kind of like a little bit of a highway drive time, so you guys can see what it's like listening to the exhaust, the sounds of it. I mean, we're cruising right now at a respectful 80 miles an hour, and it sounds like it still has the stock exhaust on it. It's very quiet, which is so nice, you know, instead of getting like highway drone because you're sitting at just 2,000 RPMs, or, you know, just constant just undercarriage noise from, you know, rattling or anything like that. This exhaust and downpipe has been beautiful sounding, and I don't think I'm gonna ever take it off. It's just so amazing. We'll see. We're coming up to a stretch of road where traffic should lighten up. And I'll be able to kind of open her up a bit again. Especially with the K&N cold air intake and that a beautiful Forge Motorsport blow-off valve. This car is now speaking a language. This semi-truck is just pissing something off his roof. I'm not sure if it's snow or what. But he is like leaking out the back of his trailer. I'm gonna assume it's snow.